Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to edit avatar on Messenger. So first of all, launch Messenger application on your mobile devices. Now tap open any conversation you wish to. Now you can see an emoji icon just beside this message box. Tap on it. With that, go ahead and tap on the category of avatar in the middle section. Now over here at the right hand corner, you'll see the option of edit avatar. Tap on it. Now at the top right corner, you can see a pencil icon. So in order to edit your avatar, tap on it. Now you can see various categories that you wish to edit. You can edit your hair, makeup, face, body, and even change your avatar clothing. Tap on any of these colors or variety of options available for you. After that, you can tap on the option of Save at the top right corner of your screen. You can see that my avatar has been edited. Now, you can tap on this option of stickers at the top right corner. And you can see that the avatar on my Messenger account has been edited. You can use these stickers accordingly. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.